Hi everyone, this is Carol with Make Force. Today I am going to begin the demo of our modular. And hopefully I can get you a good little clip of that, how we are going to start doing things around here. Hope you like it. So this right here is the back door. And this is going to be the kitchen. So I have to take down all of this, take it off. And so yeah, gotta take that off. Gotta remove all the light fixtures, take all this drywall off so we can fix it. And also we have to fix the floor in here. So this is the before of what I'm doing today. Okay, so I decided not to mess with the wall right now because I need a sturdy floor. So instead, I'm going to take all this trim or molding off the floor and I'm going to remove the tile. And then hopefully we can get a solid floor so we can work on the walls and then the ceiling. So the little tiny piece of carpet is out. Now I have to take all this tile out. So today was our first day of demo. I did a little bit of work today. I got all that sink removed. I removed the carpet off the flooring and the tile. And that was it. Basically, I have to get that floor repaired. I have to cut all the stuff off and put new OSB boards down. And once the floors are sturdy, then I will continue working with the walls and the ceiling, and then figure out which other area we're going to tackle. Eventually, all the drywall all over the place is going to have to come off, and then I guess we're going to start trying to lay out our floor plan and frame out the bedrooms, bathrooms, etc., etc. This is going to be a long journey, y'all. This is not what we wanted to do. This is what we're going to have to do, just because we've had two different estimates from two different builders, and basically it was going to cost the same to renovate this than it was to build a house from ground up. And so we don't want a $500,000 mortgage, so we're going to do it the long, hard, less expensive route. And that's what we have for you today. As always, any comments, any suggestions are always welcome. We're not professionals. We're just trying to build and save on a dime. Until next time, friends.